Okay folks, I'm going to go ahead and just take a real slight finish cut here for most of the part. I'm going to let it engage this piece right here and just do this little cut between here and here. Roughly about 100 thousandths deep cut, and roughly so we'll be taking off a total of 200 thousandths off the diameter. So I'm going to go ahead and start her up and take this little finish cut. You'll be able to see the finish is real nice. And that'll conclude that part of the video. I'm just going to dial it in about 5 thou. Get through with this cut, I'll go ahead and throw a set of micrometers on there. I'll show you the micrometer readings. So I want to get a close-up, show you the digital readout. Actually counting here. And you can see the work lamp works also. There's a little transformer on the back of the machine. The work lamp actually is powered from the machine power, so you don't even have to run a receptacle over to it. Cutting about 7-8 inches here, and we're not being supported by the tailstock. We do level each machine that we're doing these test cuts on, so you're getting an accurate representation of what you should get when you get it to your shop. So as you can hear, there wasn't any hesitation in the part. It doesn't hesitate at all when it came into that part of the cut. So I'm going to go ahead and get back into a wide range so you can actually see the micrometers as I mic this. Looks like we got about 824 and a quarter. Yeah, 824 and a hair over a quarter. And about 824 and 825 right in there, and again. A little under 824 there. And it's so within about 3/4 of a thou, without any tailstock, and again the machine has been leveled. So what you're going to get with this machine is I'm trying to keep the price down. It's got the taper attachment that's probably 95% The only thing it's missing is the arm that comes out and goes over to the ways here that would clamp on here. Just trying to keep the price down. I did call Whacheon. It is available. So if you need to have taper attachment, let me know and I'll get you a price on getting that piece. Probably 50% of the people are better out there are not going to need a taper attachment, so I didn't want to spend the extra money to get it if you don't need it. And that's going to conclude this video of this Whacheon 17 by 40 lathe.